revision worksheet which you gave.
But ma'am, what if in the revision would not be completed in one period? Like on Wednesday, you are going to do the revision. So if it does not complete in the one period, so
Yes, ma'am, it will not. Alfia ma'am was also doing today,
yes,
but
ma'am, the English
we
also
could
did not.
only do one question. It was so big, ma'am. So, ma'am,
No,
we
no,
could
I
start from
understand.
today.
Ma'am,
No,
we could
what
start from today.
revision you want to start from today?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, the revision worksheet.
Revision worksheet. I'm not going to solve all the questions. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am, you can like
You can do
what doubt we
one,
have
two
that.
questions from one
Ma'am,
section.
you are going to do it on Wednesday with the revision.
Like, ma'am, there is one whole question and it has 6
let's
questions.
speak
So
one
we
by
can do
one.
2
Speak
questions.
one by one. I don't understand what you are telling. Means I'm not getting it. Abdullah, you tell me what you are saying.
Ma'am, I'm saying that so we were going to do the maths worksheet on Wednesday. So we will not be able to complete it in one period.
So you want
So
to
we
do
will
it
need
today?
2 periods.
You want
Ma'am, like today and Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to say something. If, ma'am, there is a question number 1, like add. So there are 6 questions in that. So, ma'am, we can do only 2 questions in that, ma'am. Like we don't need to do whole, ma'am. But
Yes,
at
ma'am,
least we
from
can
one
revise it.
question.
Yes.
At
Okay,
least
fine.
we can revise it.
Okay.
Because
Worksheet you
it is
want to
so
do?
big that we can't complete on Wednesday full.
Okay, okay, fine. Let me find out the worksheet first. Okay. Let me take out the worksheet which I gave. Just a moment. Division FA decimals. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I'll be sharing the questions now. And we'll do some questions from here, and next class then again I'll bring some more questions for you. Okay, so start doing it. Just one question. I'll tell you which question to do.
Ma'am, this one
The
you have
second
given
question.
on Google Classroom, right? I have done it.
Right, you have done it, but they want to do the same
Yes,
question.
ma'am,
Okay?
I have done it, ma'am. We have
You have done. You want to do some new questions? Do you
Ma'am,
want to?
I also did.
Yes,
No, ma'am,
ma'am.
it will be fine. We can revise.
Okay, wait. Let
And
me.
we can
Let
do
me.
new question.
Okay, for
Ma'am,
now.
you can tick which one we can do. Which you can tick, ma'am, which one we have to do.
Do
Ma'am, I
this
want to
question.
say
Okay.
something.
Yes, yeah, wait. And do this one for now. Just do this one. I'm giving you some more questions. I have some more worksheets with me. Okay. So first solve till the time I am finding the worksheet. Just do these 2 questions.
If we have something wrong, so then you can check now. So we'll discuss this question also.
Yeah, that's why I want to discuss. Some questions we'll do from this worksheet, some we'll do from the other worksheet. Okay, so for now just do this, just write these questions so that I will search my questions. If I open other window, will it be visible to you people? Yes or no? If I open other window on my screen,
Ma'am, it will be visible, but this one will go away then, I think.
is it like that? Okay, just write down these 2 questions. I'll stop sharing the screen and then I'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Written these 2 questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Writing.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
I'll
ma'am.
just
See,
find
it
out.
went away.
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am. Can you show that page? I will take a photo and then I will.
Just ask Ibrahim. Those who have noted down, or you have on Google Classroom.
At the following 18.03 and 146.3 and 0.829 and 5.324. We need to add this.
Ma'am, I did not.
Can you put it in the chat?
It is
Right,
there
can you
on
put it in the
Google
chat?
Classroom, Munib. It is there on Google Classroom.
Ma'am, this is the same one which you gave on the Google Classroom.
Yes,
revision.
it is the same one.
So, ma'am, why are we doing this, ma'am?
That's why now I am telling you that I am giving you some other questions. That's why
Yeah,
I'm
that
telling.
I'm only saying that I have done this maybe, ma'am. I am thinking. So that is okay.
So give me the answer. Let me find out. I have some more worksheets. So let me see whether I have it right now.
Then you.
Okay, just see if you have done this one. I'm just showing you one worksheet. Have I given this to you? Have you done this one? These questions?
No, I don't think so. We have not done. No.
I don't think we have done that.
Okay, so let us start doing these questions. You know, already I have given you in
Ma'am, the
worksheets.
answer of the first 70.483.
Check with everyone. All of them,
170.483.
everyone has got this answer only.
Ma'am, wait, I'm checking it. Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, the division question.
170.483. No, the
Yes,
addition
ma'am.
one.
170.483.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's your
Okay, now I'm
yes, I
giving
am
you this
correct.
arrange from largest to smallest. Okay, this question, arrange from largest to smallest. Now, first solve everyone and raise hand. You know how to do it. Arrange from largest to smallest. First one, arrange from largest to smallest. This one, okay? So which one is the largest number, and the last one will be the smallest number, smallest decimal. You have to be quicker also, okay? Because there will be test, you have to complete in the limited amount of time.
I'm done.
Okay, Abdullah has done.
Ma'am, I am also done. Ma'am, how much time should we take to this? Only 1 or 2 minutes, right?
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, those who have done, complete this one also. Then I'm coming, then I'll be asking both the answers
Ma'am,
together.
I did not understand this one. Can you explain? Add from smallest to large. Arrange from largest to smallest.
Descending order you have to do.
Descending but ma'am, how we will do if it is decimal?
Array, you have already done this in class. Okay, those who have done, give me the answer. Who was the first one? Abdullah, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. From largest to smallest, ma'am. 0.801.
80. Then?
0.808.
Okay.
0.807.
Largest you have to say, okay? Okay, I'm just writing Abdullah's answer. You have to correct me. Then?
Ma'am,
largest should be first, okay? 0 point.
Ma'am, it is 0.8019, ma'am, from the starting.
Acha, 19. Okay.
Then, ma'am, 0.807, ma'am. 807. 0.807, not 9, ma'am. Not 9.
यहाँ पे. Okay.
Ma'am. Then. And then 0.81.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Now can I say my answer, ma'am?
Yes,
Yeah,
Amina.
can I
Amina.
Ma'am, can I say my answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
point
was the second one to complete.
And remember all of you, which answer is who? First one is Abdullah's. Okay.
One.
Second one, Amina. Yes.
0.81.
0.81.
0.808.
0.808.
0.807.
0.807.
0.8019.
0.8019.
And 0.8.
Ma'am, I have the same answer.
Okay, same answer. Yeah. What is your answer? Same answer. Okay. Abdullah, this is wrong. See what you have to see. What I have explained, that you have to see the whole number first. Okay. But whole number mein yahan pe all whole numbers are 0. So you don't have to compare the whole number. After decimal, you see the first digit. First digit is 8. So all numbers are at the same level. After decimal, first digit, now check the second digit. Now second digit is 1. Second digit is 0, 0, 0, 0, and the second digit, nothing is there. That means it is 0 only. So 0.81 is the largest number. Now, Ibrahim, pay attention. I'm explaining this. You didn't understand, na? So you can see over here, this, you have to go this way to see whether the number is greater or smaller. Abdullah, just pay attention. First digit, you see all are 8s. Second digit is 1 over here, and here you see 0. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे 0. That means 0.81 is the largest number because 1 is bigger than 0. Now after that you check, first digit check हो गया, third digit 8 है, then यहाँ पे 0 है, ये तो 81 तो चला गया, 8 है, and then you have third digit as 1. So this is smaller, this is 7 smaller. So 808 will be the next one. Okay. After 808, you have 807, and then 7 se bhi chota hai 1, and 1 se chota hai 0, which is actually this is 000. Okay. So this way you have to compare. Now can you arrange?
Ma'am, first we will check the whole number, like before the point we will check first.
But whole number is 0 in this case, so you don't need to check.
Everything is 0. Everything is 0. That's why we will start from after the
number of digits. After
point.
Decimal we don't count. Number of digits we count for the whole number part. Agar 123.808 hai and 23.8 hai, so this one is greater because 123 is greater than 23. Okay. So always the whole number part first.
First we need to check the whole number, and if it is not is not there, then we will do the after the point, right?
So the whole number part. How do we check whole number part? We check the same way as we check the ascending descending जो पहले किया था वैसे ही. After the decimal part, I explained you.
Ma'am, can I tell the second one?
Wait, Munib and Amina, you already know because you gave correct answer for the first one, so you should be knowing it. I'll ask someone else, those who have not understood it. Arrange from smallest to largest.
Ma'am, so in this question, ma'am, from the smallest to largest. So if this question was from largest to, if we put that largest to smallest, then how we will do that 1.6 and 1.6? There are in.
You have to start from smallest.
Yes, ma'am, but
one. All are same. All whole numbers same. Now go to the next digit. 0.6. So these two are bigger than this.
1.06 will come, ma'am. First 1.06.
Correct. So 1.06.
Ma'am, 1.16.
Now compare. Then 1.6 will come.
Yes, ma'am. 1.16.
Ma'am,
No,
Easy.
ma'am. 1.6 will come. 1.6. 1.6.
Correct. Then 1.6 will come. And after that, 2 and 6.
1.62
1.62 and then 1.66.
and 1.666.
Yes. This way you have to arrange ascending and descending order. Okay. Now, suppose this way question will not be given. Question will be given like this. Divide 0.69 by 0.3. Now do this question. Divide 0.69 by 0.3. How will you divide it?
And first we will multiply it by 10 to remove
Give me the answer. Direct answer.
Ma'am,
I don't want the
ma'am,
method. We have already done the method. I want the answer and I'm not going to multiply. I'll just write your answers and see which answer is correct. So everyone give me the answer. You can give answer in chat also.
0.13.
0.3. Okay, Anas gave 0.3. Oh,
Ma'am,
0.
I got 2. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
2.3, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 2.3.
Ma'am, 2.3. Ma'am, 2.3.
Same, ma'am.
Everyone is getting 2.3.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashta, what is the answer you got?
2 point. Ma'am, I am getting 33.
No, 2.3 is the correct answer. How do you do 0.69 divided by 0.3? What will you multiply?
Ma'am, I got the answer 2.3.
Into
I got the answer
10
2.3.
you will multiply.
6.9 divided by 3.
3 and
Yeah,
then
3. And then 69 by 3. 3
3
2 are 6. We will add a point and then, yeah, 9.
okay, so you get this answer. So this is the
Yes.
correct answer. Those who have not got, correct it. Now next question I'm giving you.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. Yeah,
Yes.
sorry. So, ma'am, when we multiply it by 10, then it will become 6.9, right? So, we will write 3 divided by 6.9, right?
Yeah, 6.9 divided by 3.
Ma'am, I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes, Munir.
Ma'am, see, I got, can we do like this? Ma'am,
Yeah.
see, ma'am, wait, huh? 1 minute. Ma'am, see, can we do like this?
How?
See, ma'am, we got 6.9 by we got
right,
30.
You can do lowest form. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. You can
That
do like
only I was asking. We can do lowest form and then 2.3 answer I got.
Correct. You can do that way also.
Ma'am, how does 25 divided? How can we divide 25?
Ma'am, can we do this question again? Like this question again?
Which question? This one, 25 by 4.
No, that divide question. Ma'am, I want to.
0.9 by 3. 3 ones
Yes.
are 3, 3 twos are 6, decimal, 3 threes are 9. Because you get confused in direct division, so that's why I told you ki lowest form mein you people
Ma'am,
still.
is that cancellation division?
Yes, this is your cancellation one. Lowest form jaise nikalte hain, no? Same way you can do.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, I am doing the normal one.
Normal one you can do because abhi new hai, so some people get confused because they have done enough now. Munib, Amina, they have done enough, so they can do it that way also. Divide 25 by 4. Anyone has got the answer?
1 minute, ma'am.
You have to round to 100.
I got 20.
20 nahi, decimal mein you should get the answer.
And which one? 24 by?
25 divided by 4. 25 by 4.
Ma'am,
Acha,
6.25.
This is not the question, huh? How much you are getting?
6.25.
Kaise? Correct. 1 aaya. We'll put a decimal. We'll put a 0 over here.
And then 2s are 8. 2s are 8. And then 2 acha. And then you will put again 0. 5s are 20.
Yes. So answer is 6.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 6.25. Ma'am, when we got 25 minus 24, then we got 1 now. So we will add a 0.
That's the correct answer.
We will add a 0.
Now do the reverse. Do the reverse. Divide.
What?
Reverse. 4 by 25.
Oh, man. Ma'am, this will be a long process.
This is a 5th question, so you have to do this. And tell me the answer. Last answer was given by only Yahya, so others also.
Ma'am, I also gave the answer 6.25.
Okay. Okay. And in this question, you have to round answer to hundreds. Okay. So round the answer to hundreds means 2-digit decimal.
Ma'am, I got
The answer is 0.16.
No, point zero.
Ma'am, 0.016.
0.016 you are getting. Then round to 100th place. 100th place, what will be the answer after rounding off?
Ma'am, 0.02. Ma'am, 0.02.
Yes, so actual answer is 0.02. Okay, let me check, divide and check. You have to divide 4 by 25. So first you will put a decimal and a 0.
Ma'am, 1
It will go 1 na?
20.
0.16
Yes, ma'am.
is the answer, and when you round it,
Yeah,
it
ma'am, the
will be
answer is
0.2.
0.16.
Ma'am, it is
It will not
0.2.
be 0.016. I was
No,
also
I was
adding,
saying
and then I
that.
saw that 40 is bigger than 25, so we don't need to add.
Yeah, so
Ma'am,
what is
0.2 is the answer.
Ones are
0.2 is the
25.
answer.
No, 0.2 is not the answer. Huh?
Ma'am,
No,
you round up to
0.1.
100, no? You round up to 100.
हाँ तो 100th place पे ये आता है 1 digit पे you are getting 1 digit पे answer.
1 minute,
Oh,
ma'am.
sorry. 0.6 will be ours.
15. Then we will add one more 0 to 150. Then 25 fours are.
Okay, how much is the answer?
25 fours are 100. And
Ma'am,
25
yes.
6 are 150. So
Yes,
0.16 is answer.
So answer
0.16.
already. So answer is 0.16 only because already you have till 100th place. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'm telling that only.
Rounded to this.
3, 2.
Here you had 3 digits. 0.1 cannot be the answer. 0.2 cannot be the answer because this is rounded to 10th place. This is rounded to 10th place. Here you have to give answer till 100th place. So 1000 पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो you have this answer only. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
let-
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do this one. This one, 280. Divide 280 by 1.4. And again same round answer to hundreds. अगर rounding off रहेगा, mostly you will get rounding वाला question in division.
200 is the answer.
I got 200 as the answer.
200 only you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 200.
Yes, ma'am. 200.
200.
Yes, answer is 200. So I'm not doing this question. ठीक है, next question 1.68. Okay, do this one. 4 divided by 0.002. This one.
Ma'am, can you explain how 200 came, ma'am? I'm not getting that answer.
अरे 280 divided by 1.4 करो into 10.
Yes, 14. 1.4 will be 14.
2800 by 14. इसको तो
Ma'am,
lowest
2000,
में
ma'am. 2000 is the answer, ma'am. 2000.
7 4s are 2800. 2 2s are 40. सीधा ही आ गया.
2000 is.
2000.
2000 is the answer. 2000 is the
अच्छा,
answer.
this one is 2000. Everyone is getting 2000.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that means it is correct. Let us see 4 divided by 0.002. Yes, 2000 is the correct
2000 is
answer.
the answer.
Yes, okay. Now some more questions I'm giving you. Wait. Now suppose multiply, no. Divide only. 0.15 20.156 divided by 1000. What is the answer? Anas, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Anas,
Yes, ma'am. 200 is the
answer will
answer.
be
Anas, what is the answer?
215600. Ma'am, the answer is 20.
Anas, are you there in the class? What is the answer for this?
Can I say it is very easy?
Anas and Muhammadi, I'm not getting the answers from you.
I am doing.
Humaira Kazi also is not giving answer today. Yeah, who has done this? Muhammadi, can you give me the answer? Ye shortcut method hai. You don't need to divide anything. You just have to give shortcut method, say shifting the decimal.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Ma'am, 20,000.
Ma'am.
No, 20,000 is wrong answer.
Ma'am, 2009. 20,000.
20.
Ma'am, can I say?
20. Ma'am, can I say please? Ma'am, it's very
Rashna, please
easy.
answer this. Rashna,
Ma'am,
answer.
just remove the decimal and the answer is that.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
2156. 20,156.
Okay, everyone is giving this answer. Is this the answer?
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it is the
ma'am. We
answer.
will shift to.
Amina,
We
is
will
this the
shift
correct
30.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is divide. Divide में decimal doesn't shift towards right, decimal shift towards left. So the correct answer is 0.02.
Ma'am, wait, I'm doing, ma'am. Ma'am, how 0.0 come? Ma'am,
Acha, we will
0.2
I
is
forgot to do that.
0.2.
I'm a little ahead instead of behind.
0.02. 3 digits left you have to shift.
0.020156. Yeah, ma'am, you're correct, ma'am.
Everyone has
We were
done
wrong.
wrong. Yeah.
Ma'am, we forgot in multiplication and division. We need to go like right in that.
I did right, but I didn't told the answer.
You have to tell the answer. Why you are scared of telling the answer? Everyone is wrong now. So you can tell the answer. Be confident of your answer.
We will make mistake, then only we will learn.
Yes. That's why you should not be scared of making mistake. When you make
Ma'am,
mistake, you're going
156.
to remember it.
156.
Yes, the answer is 156. Okay.
Yes,
0
it's very easy.
divided by. Tell me.
0.002.
0.002.
Yeah, ma'am.
0.0002.
25.1 multiplied by
2.1.
oh,
10,000, ma'am.
ma'am, you gave it so long.
I thought you were 100. So
Ma'am, 0.0.
Two,
Ma'am, 0.00251.
25 point.
No.
Fine.
It is multiplication. It is
25,
not division.
1,
Ma'am,
251 and 3 zeros, ma'am. Ma'am, 251 and 3 zeros.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Is it okay?
But where will point come?
Your
Where will
answer
point
is
come? You have to
wrong.
say that
It will come in
also.
the
Point
end.
will
There's
come
no
after
point in
those
that.
3. 251 000 point. I mean, it is chorus answer, man, cheating.
Your answer is wrong, Munib, that you have written in chat, okay?
Yes, you have written the ulta.
Multiplication may shift right and division may shift left. When will you
You
remember?
wrote division. I didn't see that one, so I wrote.
It is multiplication. See over here, I'm giving you mixed questions. Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
1.25625.
It is so easy peasy lemon squeeze.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
1256.25. Yes, ma'am. 1256.
Now, so now it
0.25.
is clear to you. You will not forget this now, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. But ma'am, on Wednesday, two questions you give again. So
Wednesday,
we
I'll
will
give you
understand.
some more questions. Okay. Now
Yes.
multiply this. Multiply this one.
Which one, ma'am?
I'm giving.
Ma'am, what is this? 0.1325 to thousands means
You have
10,000.
you have to round.
Round it to 1,000.
Still here.
So ma'am, this will come in exam.
हाँ,
Yes.
यही है ना, 0.133 will be the answer. You have to underline this digit, check the next digit. Thousands means third digit.
Ma'am, we will increase 2, ma'am, from 1.
1 only I increase, na? 133.
Yes,
हो.
ma'am.
चलो ये
See the
वाला
digit after and we will see if it's more than 5 or less than 5, and then we have to
Yes.
we have to like
This question I have given you multiplication. Do this.
Which one, ma'am? The upper one?
हाँ.
Ma'am, the answer would be 0, but we have to put the point somewhere. Ma'am.
Don't be in a hurry to solve the question. Observe the question. Multiplication actually 1 से ही है, but only shifting of decimal is there.
Ma'am, I got 0.84756.
0.8.
Ma'am, 0.84756. Ma'am, 0.08.
I got the same answer, ma'am.
No, I think 1 0 should be there.
Yeah, that's right.
How, ma'am? Because you have to move 5 digits now.
No, you have to move 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is this.
0.084756.
Count the number of decimal digits. 7, 5, 6, 3 and 3 over here. Okay, now multiply. I'm erasing.
Oh, ma'am, that's 1 also though.
Ma'am, after this, can you explain the direction round the following
Ma'am, after
decimal
0 there was
numbers?
also a 1. There was also a 1 after 0.
Do one more multiplication question. Do this one. 98.47 into 0.07.
Ma'am, for the first question, 84.76 multiplied by that 0.001, the answer is 0.084756.
Yes. Do this one now.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.084756.
Ma'am, 8 7 is 56, ma'am.
I'll not answer that.
Ma'am, the answer is 6.8929.
98.47 into 0.07. How much you got?
Ma'am, I got 6.8929.
Yeah, this is the correct answer. First multiply with 7.
Ma'am, I also got
Ma'am, I also got that only.
1, 2, 3, 4.
6.8929.
Yeah, ma'am, I got this.
So this is your answer, okay? This is the correct answer. Okay, suppose I'm doing rounding off down. A round off decimal number as indicated. 0.1325 to 1000. 1000 is third digit after decimal. So this first answer, I'm doing it for you so that you remember it, 0.133. Because 5, when it is 5, the previous number will be increased by 1. Now do the second one, 0.0091. 2000.
0.001 will be the answer.
No, 1000.
0.009.
1000 is third place. So 009 is the answer. Again,
Ma'am, can you explain one time?
Ma'am, second wala, ma'am, 9 we will underline. So, ma'am, 1000 hai na?
One
So,
you
ma'am,
will.
1000
I got
plus 0 will be
0.0.
increased by 1, no?
1 is smaller than 5, na?
No, ma'am, see, 9 is bigger than 5, so 0 will be
9
increased
we
by
are not
1.
checking. 1000 place tak to aana hi hai answer. 1000 is 9 is at 1000. So you have to underline 1000, check 10,000 place. Next digit we
So,
always
I
check.
thought 1000. No, I thought
Can I see
1000.
the next answer?
Yeah, what is the next answer? Next answer again. This is 1 10 100. 10 100 1000. So this is 1000.
0.020.
Okay. You will add 1 to 9. So you get 9 plus 1, 0. Carry 1, 2 and 0. Yes, answer is 0.020. So you have to write a 0 over here also.
Ma'am, how I did not understand?
Let me erase it first.
Ma'am, I also did not.
How the answer is 0.0?
Again, every time I teach this rounding off, you people forget this always. How will this go? If you forget
I don't understand for 9 only.
0.019. Which one was this? Was the question, na? हाँ. So 1000 place कौन सा है? This is 1000 place, right? I have to
Yes,
check
ma'am.
this digit. So what will happen according to the rule? I have to add 1 to this. When I add 1 to this, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 2, and 0. So answer is 0.020. So 0.020 is the answer. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about 6? It will only come till thousands.
Yes. Whenever we round
So,
off,
ma'am,
rest
can
of
you
the
do-
digits are zeros.
Can you
na?
do of the fourth one? Can I do the fourth one?
Fourth one is, let me write
The
over here.
answer is 5. Ma'am,
This
the
is
answer is 5.0.
Ma'am, 5.004.
1, 2, 3, 0 नहीं करना है. Rest of previous digits are same ना. 3 के आगे 4 है. 4 is less, so you don't change this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
6.6 is it. Tell me this one.
Ma'am, the answer will be 6.007.
0 नहीं करना है. 6 है ये, Munib. This is 6 only. Why do you change it?
667.
So, ma'am, why did in the second question we add 0? Because it was 0, that's why only.
0, it was 0 only. We don't change the previous digits. We change the last digits.
Okay, ma'am.
But in
Understood.
whole number,
3.619.
See, in whole number, you replace
Ma'am,
this.
in whole number,
Wait now. In whole numbers, you replace everything by 0. But last ke 0. Here also, we are replacing it with 0, but we are not writing it. Okay? Actually, we don't write anything for zeros. So, we are not writing zeros. Is it clear? In the end, in decimal, we don't write zeros. Yahan pe we have written because they have asked till 1000 place. So, we have written at 1000 place.
Ma'am,
What
the
is the
next
answer?
answer is 40.619.
619. Yes, correct answer.
yes.
Now,
1.00.
who will answer this?
Ma'am, 1 point.
You have to add 1. Write and add 1.
1.99. No,
This
ma'am.
is actually what?
1.920.
Plus 1. 9 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. Plus 1, 0. Carry 1, 2. So answer is
2.000.
2.000. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
0.
So 99 wale mein लिख के add कर लो. Then you will understand how to do it.
0. Ma'am, the 8th one will be 0.133.
No, that will be to hundreds. It will not be to thousand.
0.133.
3.
0.13.
0.133.
Ma'am, it is 100.
No, it is 100, not 1000.
Acha, it is 100. Sorry.
0.13 only. Ma'am,
Yeah.
0.13.
0.13 only. Yeah. It is 100. Okay, I'm erasing it now for doing further questions. Last. Who will do this? 200. 0.0091.
Ma'am, can I do? Ma'am,
Then-
it will become 0.01. 0.01.
Yes. And this one 200? Same.
0.34. 0.33.
Okay, we'll do some addition questions. Now tell me, addition, I hope everyone knows still. Add this one. 1347 and 0.0005.
Okay, the answer
I
is
got the answer. Can I tell?
1347.30 and 5.
0.1352. 0.1352.
No, the answer will be
No, yeah.
1347.
That is wrong answer. See, the
Ma'am.
answer is,
Ma'am, the answer, can I say? The answer will be.
your answer is correct.
answer, ma'am? Can I
I heard your answer. How do we do these questions? I
Ma'am,
told
you
you
write
that
decimal, not decimal. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Answer
So
already.
1347.0005.
1346.9995.
No.
0.7.
Now see
7.0.
how I have done this. This is your answer.
The same as I got, ma'am.
This is your answer. 1347. No decimal. So that means decimal is in the end.
And ma'am, here there was decimal 0.0005.
You have to write decimal below the decimal and place, and rest of the
Ma'am,
places
but how will you minus 0 from 5, ma'am?
minus nahi hai, plus hai.
It's addition.
And suppose if it is subtraction, then how will you do? Same question in subtraction.
Then, ma'am, the answer would be 1346.9995.
Yes, then it will be like that.
Ma'am, he did ulta.
It will be 1347.
Okay, now subtract this one.
He got it correct.
Subtract this question is given na, do this one.
Ma'am, this wala 133.06.
Subtract wala, yes. Now subtract this one. Huh? Subtract is 14.69 from 113.06.
Ma'am, 98.35.
How do you do? You have to again write like this.
Yes, ma'am, 98.37. Ma'am, I got 98.37.
And 35.
16 minus 9 is how much? 5 now?
7.
6 na? Kitna?
9, 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, I got 98.
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, I was correct.
Ma'am, I got 98.37.
Yes, ma'am, 98.37 is the correct answer, not 5.
12 में से 4 गया.
8. And then
And
10
the
minus 1, 9. 9.
Answer
98.37.
8.37. Okay.
Ma'am, what about the one, ma'am, which is remaining?
That we took remainder
Zero.
from that, no? We borrowed.
It goes over here and 10. It happens 10 over here. So 10 minus 1. Okay, now some word problems. Five minutes is there. Do one word problem. First one, Manisha purchased a box of pencils for $1.28 and gave the cashier $10. How much change? How much change should she get back?
Ma'am, we will subtract, ma'am.
Ma'am,
answer.
$8.32. Oh, sorry, 8 point
And we have done this. We have done this,
$72.
$8.72.
How much?
$8.72.
$8.72.
Okay, let me check it. You have to subtract this. You have to write in statement, huh? 10 में से 8, 2, 9 में से 2.
And the answer is 9.72. Sorry, $9.72.
Yes, ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
9.72 कैसे होगा?
$9.72.
It is
I got 1. I got 8.82.
It is 8.72.
We will cut it now. Cut it to go it ahead. So we will cut
Ma'am,
it.
I got 8.72. Ma'am, I only cut from 1, not from 10.
Okay. Okay, next question.
If you buy an ebook for 2.9 and download for 5 songs 1.2, what is the total amount you have spent?
Yes.
Ma'am, in this we will divide maybe.
Ma'am, so first we will multiply 1.29 into 5. Then we will plus, then whatever the product we will get, we will plus 29.62.
29.62. Yes, this you have to do. Find out what is the answer. because 5 songs, each song you are spending this much. So 5 songs may you will spend 5 into this much, and this you bought one ebook, so this is added. So total spent, total money spent is this much. Total amount spent is this much. Find out the answer. Multiply and then add. First you will multiply and then add. This you have to do. I'm not going to do this. I'll just give you correct answer. What is 1.29 into 5?
Ma'am, 1.29 into 5 is 645.
6.
And the decimal will be, ma'am, if you get the decimal, then it will be 1.
Ma'am, 6.45, ma'am, 6.
Yes, now add 29.62. How much is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 36.07.
Yes, correct answer. 36.07. You have to
Yes,
write
ma'am,
it in dollars.
36.07.
Dollars you have to write, okay? So this is your answer, the correct answer, okay? So we have done today some revision, some more revision we'll do in the next class. Prepare
36.07.
Ma'am, you gave.
Ma'am, I got the answer
FA2 revision.
36.07.
I give
Ma'am, FA2
36.07 is the answer.
worksheet. Ma'am, this is FA2 ka revision worksheet for us, right? Ma'am, you gave the previous Mandela.
Previous Mandela, yes, I gave. To you 3, I think I have given. Okay, it's okay. We have
FA2
already done.
I remember all these questions.
Convert to decimal and fractions we have not done, okay? So this we'll do in the next class. So that is all.
Conversions, right, ma'am? Conversion to percentage and fractions.
Yeah.
So we'll do in the next class. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Bye. And revise, huh?
Ma'am, the rounding off we will do one more time next class.
Okay, okay. Next class, whatever doubt is there, bring it.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.